How much will 1000 Fantom be worth in 2025? In this video I will answer this question and share my price prediction for 2025 with long and short term analysis, and we have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Fantom to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. Fantom is on place 42 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $3 billion. The coin is existent since 2018 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after we reached the all-time high, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels. From the top to the down we saw a move about 94%. We came all the way down into this demand zone. This demand zone where we started this bullish move, and after this consolidation we saw this move to higher prices, and after this we saw this move again back into this demand zone. So we have this longer consolidation for 1.5 years, and lately we saw this bullish momentum to the upside. We broke this last high here with this weekly candle, and as I'm always saying, if we see a weekly candle out of this supply zone or this last high, then the chance is really high that we could see a bullish explosion in the near future. And as you can see, we are seeing this bullish explosion. From the bottom to the top we saw a move about 500%, and I think the chance is high that you could see even higher prices. And the next really interesting high is this high right here at $1.68, because this high was the start of this bearish move, and often over important highs there's much liquidity. So the chance that we reach this potential goal is very high, and often after reaching this potential highs the chance for a bigger retracement is there. And if we then find acceptance again over this high, then of course the next really interesting price target is the all-time high at $3.47. And the best coins are also exploding over the last all-time high, and I think Fantom has the potential to also break this last all-time high. And for calculating a potential price target we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low, and then we are seeing this potential price targets. And if we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $5.52. And if we have a look at the 2.618 Fibonacci, we would even have a price target of $8.83. And I think this potential price target is very realistic for the next bull run. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 700%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Fantom. Of course guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now, but if enough money flows into the crypto market and the altcoins, the chance is also high that we could reach the last all-time high. And especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, I think the chance is high that the total crypto market cap of the altcoins will reach even higher prices. And if just a small percentage flows into Fantom, the chance is high that we could reach this potential goal. Especially if we have a look at the market cap, you can see that we have a lot of potential to the upside. And I think Fantom is a great project with a very high potential. And to answer the question from the beginning, how much will 1000 Fantom be worth in 2025? If you would reach this potential price target of $8.83, then 1000 Fantom would be worth around $8,830. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Fantom. But as I said guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But Fantom is right now starting this explosion, and I think the chance is high that we could see another explosion in the near future. So we look for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for Fantom. And as you can see, we are clearly in a bullish structure with higher lows and higher highs all the way. And as I said, we also broke this last high right here at 65 cents. And with this bullish structure, I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices in the near future. So if we come back into this demand zone, the chance that we could see a bullish continuation is very high, because from this demand zone we saw this last push over this last high, we made a higher high. So if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a great technical area to get into a potential long trade. And if we see an even larger correction, then I would have a look at this demand zone, because from this demand zone we saw this push over this last high, we broke this last really important high on a weekly time frame. So if we come back into the zone, the chance is really high that we could see a bullish continuation. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Fantom, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. So guys, I think these two areas are great technical areas to get into potential long trade. And if we have a look at the weekly chart, you can see that we are clearly in a bullish trend. And I think the chance is high that we could see massive higher prices in the near future. I think Fantom is a great project with a very high potential. And I think the chance is high that 1000 Fantom could be worth around $8,800 in the next bull run. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.